Okay, so this is the Fisherville Terrace subdivision of homes. These are, if you can see them, homes which are duplex style townhouses, very beautiful on the outside. They have 4 different colors of siding that they've done in these homes, and some of these homes are 1900 square feet, others are 2500 square feet. So I'm going to walk you through one which is 75 square feet. You can see the outside of it as well. Some of those, that's where the rest of the construction is going on right now. So we'll go into this house. This is a 3-floor home, and in this 3-floor home you have a hallway which is a composite flooring right here, and then you have the hardwood going upstairs. On the left hand side we have a 2-car garage. It's very messy. It's got all the supplies in here as well for the builder. And this 2-car garage opens up this way. There we go. This has got the lift master here, and the lift master is really good because you can now connect it to your MyQ app. So nowadays we are not getting a lot of these clickers in your car, but you can just go to the MyQ app here and download it. So people are just using their phones to do that. And there's additional space here in this basement, which is not part of the 2600 square feet. You can see a big wide basement. A lot of blown-in insulation is becoming standard in Massachusetts right now. This house has a side walkout right here. You can see the side walkout here on this side. Very beautiful. The back side is all, there's nothing being built at the back here. So you can see that they've got their HVAC system over here on this side. This is the new Navi system that we're using in a lot of homes. The Navi system is about 93% efficient. You basically are not supposed to run out of hot water with something like this. They are putting in, that's the electrical box there. And actually I forgot to tell you, there is also an electrical plug, so you can do electrical car as well. A little bit of space under the stairs which can be used for additional storage. But here again, maybe 500 square feet of space could be salvaged here, which can be finished up, bringing it up to like 3200 square feet. This is where the connection is coming in from the outside of the house. This is the main water connection for the home. In this case, this home does have gas into the house, but Massachusetts has changed its code. Massachusetts code is currently electric at this time, and we were fortunate. We already had gas into the place. That's why we were able to bring gas into this home. But in most of the homes right now, it's electric only. We're going up the stairs, hardwood stairs over here, and then got a closet space with some railing. You can hang stuff or store stuff here. Now this is a really good spot because you've got a very formal family room space, and this formal family room has so many recessed lights going through. So 4 here, 4 there, another 4 over there. That's 12 already. And then they've got recessed lights up there as well. So you've got a chandelier over here. This is the front door that we were looking at. Lots of windows in this house. So you've got 3 windows here, 2 windows there, slider. Got another window on top of the sink as well. And so you've got a very defined family room space with a gas fireplace in this case. And then you've got that beam over there, and after that beam you've got another space next to these 2 windows, and this is a formal dining room space. So big family room and a nice dining room space. These are the choices for carpet. So you have lots of carpet choices that you can choose from. Lots of different colors as well that can be chosen from. This is our standard hardwood right here. This one. And then you can upgrade to these if you wanted to. They're a little bit more expensive. Got 6 different types of granite. I've got this 3 samples of the granite that we usually do. This one, and this one. And these are upgrades that people have done, even this gray countertop. And we have 3 other granite counters that we have. Alright, so fridge. The builder doesn't provide a fridge. The fridge is provided for by the buyer. You can buy it through our supplier or through somebody else. Okay, this is just some of our open house material here. Everybody gets a island and then an L-shaped kitchen, which you can see there's a lazy Susan there too. Lots of cabinetry space. You can see these are soft closers and very nice high ceilings. This is a 9-foot ceiling and lots of space for the cabinetry. It keeps going. This microwave is actually going to be going outside of the house, so it vents outside of the house right here. In this case, this house was upgraded with quartz, so people like the white on white look, that works here. One big sink, as you can see, right here. And this is the lazy Susan space over here. It's town water, town sewer, so you've got a garbage disposal there as well in this house, and a dishwasher over here. Some additional space, again, lots of space to be able to reach in. About 6 feet. I'm at my reach level. Okay, so I'm just going to give a quick view of the kitchen space here. All right. And the family rooms over there, dining rooms over here. Then let's go to composite deck. It's very beautiful on the back side of this house. Those are the neighbors. This is a composite deck here that we're on. So this, in this case, has stairs going down. That's not the case with all of them, but some of the models do have them. All right. Now we're going to go upstairs. As I pointed out, there's also a half a bathroom here too in this house. So you can see that half bath here. And then you've got office space or playroom, small room, no closet, but it works for a lot of people. A lot of people working from home. We're going to go up this set of stairs. This chandelier here that you can see, this light in, those 2 lights there, one of the hang-on lights there, any of the lights in the bathrooms, those can be changed over by a buyer. They can bring their own lights for all the bedrooms as well as the bathrooms, and we give them a $750 credit. Coming up, nothing here in this house, in this room, so no hardwood flooring, just plain floor that's waiting for the choice of the buyer. I'm going to open this up, step back a bit to show you the closet space over here. So one closet goes to the master, this closet goes here to the other bedroom. This is where the washer dryer is. This is the other bathroom with the oversized counter, some a linen closet, and then a fiberglass tub shower combo. These are the lights I was talking about. So over here is the washer dryer, which is good to have it on the 2nd floor. This is our other bedroom, very similar in size to the other one. You can see again large windows, which is really nice to have. And another closet space, very similar in size, both of these bedrooms. Okay, on to the master. We've got a linen closet in the hallway. This is the space here. So you've got a walk-in closet, which is this way. And this is a very large bedroom, so they optioned for extra lights in this bedroom, plus they put a fan. So everybody can put a fan in their bedrooms because we've got enough. We have a fixture that can take the weight of a fan. You've got windows here, another window here, brings in lots of light. And this is a really fantastic bathroom attached to the master. Got 2 sinks, lots of space here too, lights here as well. And then you've got this really nice shower right here, and with a small cubby. And this is kind of like open space or a space unused. People can use that, put a dresser here if you wanted to, but again brings light into this place. This home's on the 3rd floor home, so it's kind of high compared to the other homes which are on the side. Those are all 2 floor plans, plus they're coming up a hill as well. And this hill continues to go up, kind of stops there and then goes down again. So really good space. So I'm just going to go over the features of the house. Hardwood floor everywhere except for the bedrooms. You've got 15 different types of tile, 12 to 15 types of tile you can choose from in this house, and we can install them for you. That includes the tile in the shower. $750 credit for lighting if you bring your own lighting in to the home. And also we've got that hardwood flooring that you can option to make upgrade if you wanted to. Some people are upgrading into the bedrooms as well. The office space also is option to be a carpet unless you change it over. So this is a walkthrough of this home. If you have any questions about Fisherville Terrace, fishervilleterrace.com is a good website to go to, where we have a walkthrough as well and some of the features on the house.